I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title, girl, we got our Fenty Skin Blur in the mail. Okay, yes, I know. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, sis. Y'all come on in. Yeah, this ain't gonna be a long one, so you can grab a snack, but you ain't really gotta grab a snack. Get you a glass of juice. It's probably too early for wine, but it's never too early for wine, if you know what I mean. So, but you heard right. I said, yep. You didn't mishear me, honey. I picked up the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I picked up the shade 20. I'm normally a 420 in the mattifying foundation. I have never tried the blurring one, and I'm a 410 in the powder foundation. So I wanted to come on here, try this out with y'all, and see how I liked it. Because we know I love coverage, but do I like it to give skin? I like coverage myself, but I am not opposed to a skin tint. It's more like a tinted moisturizer. You can actually make your own by using some of your foundation and a lot of just mix it in with some of your moisturizer, and you have the same thing. But this may not be the same thing. So I don't know what my Fenty primer is. Let's use this Inglot mattifying primer. I feel like if I use the Fenty one, they all should actually go together, but honestly, a primer is a primer. And sometimes even the stuff that's sold with the same brand, they don't necessarily work together. So this came out last Thursday, March 25th. I tried to pick it up in the store, but they were sold out of the shade 20 already. And based on what I looked at, it looks like 20 would be the color that I would wear because I'm in the shade 420, maybe-ish, around 420-ish. So I had to order it online, and it took forever for it to come. I think this came in yesterday. So this retails for $29.50, comes in 25 flexible shades. It claims to be an instant blurring skin tint, buildable light to medium long wear coverage. Okay. Quick blur complex with a hydrating diffused effect. Smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare. Applies well with finger or a brush. So we won't be using our sponge. And they also claim that it's humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant formula. I don't know why people claim that, because if I put my mask on and I'm running around, it's going to transfer on my mask. Like, just claim to be long wearing. Don't claim to be like transfer resistant proof, whatever. So y'all saw the packaging here, and then this is what it looks like. Very cute. Girl, I don't know. Is this my shade? The brush I want to take is the Morphe E63 brush. I want to use this to apply it to see what it's going to give. Like I said, I purchased mine on Sephora. It's available on Fenty's website as well. That's how much I put on my hands. Very liquidy, as it should be. Ooh, child. Okay, it's blending into my skin. I need more than that, hun. Let's see if we can apply it without it dripping all over our clothes. You can barely tell I have it on. It's like my skin, but better. It's a better version of my skin. I'm gonna apply some more on. And I have all kind of moles and stuff on my face. So if anything, because this is such a skin blurring foundation, if anything, it's just going to, I don't want to say accentuate those particular birthmarks, but it won't drown them out. They'll still show through my skin. Okay. I like it. It does have this very glowy, almost looks like the Morphe Filter Effect foundation that we tried like a month or so ago. But I'm not mad at it. It's really, really lightweight. Like, this is perfect for those I'm going to the mall, be right back looks. You just want to you want to look a little put together. Like, you can put this on and it gives you that blurring. It is smoothing. It is not full coverage and it does not claim to be. But it's beautiful though. It's a skin tint. Like is exactly what it is. It's light to medium coverage. Morphe's was medium to full, I want to say. But I was like, this definitely ain't full. But this is light to medium coverage. Like, that's what it's giving. Okay? This is for those people who are like, I don't really want to wear no makeup. I mean, I want to, but I just want to leave it. You need to go get this, okay? For concealers, we're going to use our Fenty concealers, number 420 and 390. And the concealer is just going to bring it all together. You don't want to put too much. You want to put just a little bit to conceal and highlight what you want it to. But other than that, like, no. I do have this mark in the middle of my forehead. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on. Maybe Fenty is not playing with nobody. Do you hear me? Fenty is coming for everybody who said that it couldn't be done. Or, you know, they said it could be done, but they just didn't do it. So they beat them to it. And then we're going to take that same brush and just blend out the edges. This will probably be like the lightest beat I wear on this channel. Definitely be the lightest beat. It's giving real natural girl vibes, you know, real, I'm about to go to the library, I gotta put this mask on again type of vibes. I'm gonna take this Pro Filter loose setting powder in the shade Honey and set my under eye. Look how natural that looks. Oh my god. That looks amazing. And I do like how natural it looks, even though I do like a good full coverage beat, okay? I do like how natural this is looking. Like, this is really light. Continuing on with our Fenty theme, we're going to use the Fenty Pro Filter powder. I told y'all I'm the shade 410 in this powder because this one kind of oxidizes a little bit, just like the mattifying liquid foundation. I feel like this one does like this whole oxidizing. I'm not really sure like what it does, but if I go get 420 in this powder foundation, it's definitely too dark. I'm gonna use this same cashew brush to set it everywhere. Like, you literally, like, this is like my skin but better, honey. Oh, that's pretty. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna take this Fenty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty, and I'm going to use that to just apply a little bronzer. Again, this is a very natural face. And then to do our nose contour, I'm going to take that same contour powder and use this brush to do so. Girl, I am really liking this. Do I need to zoom y'all in a little bit more? Hold on. Okay, so here is a close-up, close-up. I'm really liking this. It looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts on this. This is skin. Do you hear me? This is skin, honey. It's giving us very much skin. So I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all. So here is the finished look. Like, y'all, this is giving nothing but skin. And it even covered up that little mark I had or whatever. We're definitely giving and getting skin with this skin tint. Like, it's very cute. It's not too much. It's just enough. Like, it's just enough. You know what I mean? Again, I'm in the shade 20. This is for the no makeup girls. Just like I said with the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. Girl, that is for the no makeup girls. This is for, I want to run to the store. I just need a quick little beat. And I didn't even have to put the concealer on because it still gave me, you know, very refreshed, very healthy skin. Like, really cute, like, you know, like glowy skin. So I didn't even have to do the concealer. But y'all know me. I got to do concealer, honey. So yeah, this is the finished look. I like this skin tint. Hopefully I'll be reaching for this more and more because it is about to get a little bit more warmer, I think. Even though it's a little cool outside of the day. Once it starts getting warmer, this will be something that you want to wear to where you don't have to pile on a lot of stuff on your face and go out and sweat it off. So I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you plan on getting this skin tint, go ahead and leave a comment down below. What shade are you? Like, are you a full foundation type of girl, or are you like that type of girl that's just like, I just need something to make me look awake? You know, so leave some comments down below. But until next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.